Welcome you all. In this lecture, we are going to find the sum of array element. Obviously here, the input is one array and the output is nothing but your sum of the array element. Okay, but this time we are doing this thing in Visual Basic. Already we know how to input array in C, C++, Java. Now you just learn how to declare the array element, how to declare one array, how to input an array, how to output an array in Visual Basic. Okay, so in this case you can see here this is your label one. Here I can type here enter array size, or you can just say array range. Okay, then this is your text box. In this text box you are going to enter your what, you have to enter the size of the array. Okay, here this list box is for output purpose. Okay, you can see this is your list box I have taken here. So if each array element will be how it will be. Suppose my array name is A. So A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. So each array element easily I can add to this list box. You know the list box, combo box having the properties what, add item. So list name of the control dot add item, I can do list one dot add item A of I. Means A of 0, A of 1 has to be have to be appended to this list box. So all my output has to be displayed here. I have taken here one command button. Here I am going to write all my code here. I am going to type all my code in command 1. So let's change the caption of this command button, also changing the name of the command button. Okay, see, I am changing the caption. So it will find sum of array element. Okay, this caption I have given like this, and I'm going to the name of the name also I'm changing. It is name was what is the command one. I'm just changing to anything. Find array sum. Okay, the name I've changed. Okay, let's do the coding. We will do coding. Just double click on this which one? Which one? Your command, this button, find array sum button. Otherwise I can show you, you can directly go to the code, view code, go to the view code, and you select what is the name of the button. Okay, what is the name of the button? Find array sum. You just click it. After that, so which event you selected here? In this event, you click event, you can see either you double click on that button, you will get this one, find array sum underscore click. Okay, so in this case what we have to do, we have to declare one array. You declare one array, suppose the name of the array. Here in C, what we are using, square bracket for array, but here you have to use parenthesis for array. Okay, so size of the array is 100. I'm allocating 100 element memory as a what, integer. So array is a collection of homogeneous element. All element are same type, same name. Okay, and then I will declare one variable as n. Okay, n as what, integer. Okay, then what I will do, n equal to text box one is there, no? In the text box one, whatever there, I'll convert into value, into numeric form. I'll store in n. Suppose I enter 5. So 5 has to be stored in n. So no need to give text one.ext. Okay, now I have to, first task is to input the array element. So how to input? So I can type a command line. You can see single quote I can give. What you have to do? You have to, I'm just command line input array element. Input array element, single stroke you can give input array element. Okay, you can see it changed to green color. Okay, so here I am taking for loop. Okay, because I have to go to each element, no? So array index I am starting with 0, and it will go up to n minus 1. Last index will be your n minus 1, and I equal to I plus 1. So that, for that I am writing step 1. So when I will write step 1, I equal to I plus 1. Okay, after this, I have to store, that means I have to store the value in where? In the array A of I, means A of 0 first. So for that, which one will where I should give the value? I have to give the value in the input box. So what I have to give? I have to type input box. Okay, in that input box, what I should type here? Enter array element. Enter array element. Okay, bracket close. But wait, whatever you are giving, no, maybe it will take everything as string. So that's why you convert into numeric form. What you use val function, which will convert your string into number. Okay, so input box to whatever you are giving, it has to be converted val numeric form, store in a of I, means a of 0, then a of 1, then a of 2, then a of 3, a of 4, like this. Okay, so the next, so this is the part of you are going to input the array. Okay, over. Let's see how it looks like. So now this part only we have to execute. Let's execute now. Okay, what is the size of the array? Suppose 5. Then I will click on find sum button. Find sum of array element is there. You just click. Coming. So you can 12. Okay. 34. Okay. 56. Okay. So every time your input box. This is called your input box. So okay. Okay. So the value got stored in where? In the array now. Okay, 5 element, because what is n value? Text box 1 hold 5, 5 got stored in n. So it will start from 0 to what is the last index? It will be 4. So 5 element got stored in array. But I have to output, I have to display it on this list box. How to do that part? Let's see. Okay, so how to do? Look at here now. So I will use one more command line. Okay, single stroke you have to use. Output array. Output array element, then you press enter. Okay, so next I have to, for output also I require what? For loop only. I equal to 0, 0 to n minus 1, step 1. Okay, so here you have to give step 1 means you have to give a space. Okay. After that you are going to print it. So where I am going to print, I am going to print it on where? Which one? Least one. Least one dot add item. What I'm going to add the item? My item is here my array element a of 5. So each element one by one has to be added to the list box. You can see this is the magic of your list box if you are using. And remember one thing. Okay, so here I will print something in the list box first. List one dot add item one string I want to print. Array elements are array elements are like that I'll print. Okay, after that what is stored in array has to be displayed in the which box only. Again I am adding the array element. First I added this array element R to the list box, then I'm adding the all the array elements. Now execute. You can see list. Okay, now executing. Suppose 5. Find the sum of our element. Click. Okay, suppose a of 0 is 12. Okay, a of 2 is 34. Sorry, a of 1 is 34. Then a of 2 is 45. A of 3 is 67. A of 4 is 89. Okay, you can see what I given here. You can see the code. So what is the code here? You can see. Okay, when I click this button, you can see what is the name of this button. Find array sum I given command button. Okay, it has to be clock. Here declaration of one dimensional array. Here and indicate the size of the array. Okay, text boxes range I have stored here. This code is for input of an array. You can see by using input box, I'm storing one element into the array. Okay, I think you understood. Next, this is the output of an array. So first I'm adding this array element R. Then what is the next item I'm adding? All the array element a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. I'm adding to the least box. Okay. So next our task is to find the sum of this element. You can see 12, 34, 45, 67, 89. It has to be added. Okay. So how we are doing in C, Java or C++? Finding the sum of the array element. Same way we have to do here also. Let's do that code. Okay. So for that I have to declare one more variable dim sum and as a integer, and I will say ma'am I'll initialize the sum to 0. No need, because if you are not initializing also, the initial value will be 0 in Visual Basic only. I'm saying you. Okay, so now what I have to do? I have to take a for loop. In that for loop, what I have to do? For I start with 0 index, it will go up to n minus 1. Then I have to type step 1. Okay, then same code, sum equal to sum plus a of I. Sum equal to sum plus a of I. That's it. Then what you have to give here? Next. So 3 for loop. Okay, one for input, one for output, one for finding the sum of all array element. Next, what I will do? I will add the result to the list box only. So it so much helpful this list box is. So, okay, they will ask more question on the list box. Okay, add item. So what I will add? The sum of array element are. Okay, you can do like this. Okay, you can, if you want, you can result, you can same line you can continue in this only, you can continue. For that you just give a ampersand for joining. You're joining the variable sum. The sum of our element are, then sum. Let's see. Okay, 5 element. Okay, then click on the find sum of our element. Okay, a of 0, 12. Okay, so 10, 20, 30 I'm giving. Okay, so 10, 20, suppose 30, a of 2, then 40, then 50. Okay, so our element are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. F0, F1, F2, F3, F4. So the sum of the array element are how much? 150. Got it? 10 plus 20, how much? 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 40, 100 plus 50, how much? 150. And remember, this is only one operation we have done using array. Okay, two operation we have done. You can say three operation we have done. Input of an array, output of an array, and we have find the sum of the what element, sum of the array element using array. Okay, sum of n number, sum of n different number using array. Even you can sort the array element. You can find the greatest among the array element, and next you can find the smallest element in array element. I mean, even you can generate a Fibonacci number using array also. So there is a lots of application of your array what you have done still now. Okay, thank you for watching. Next video will be on your two-dimensional array. Please subscribe my channel. Please like it.